Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So for today's Tip Tuesday, is that a good name? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But today we are going to be making some DIY metallic eggs. So last week I showed you how to dye your eggs naturally with like beets and vegetables and cabbage and all that kind of stuff, and I'll have that linked in the cards right here. But I thought that this week I would show you how to make your eggs look metallic. So I initially wanted to make them golden with that Wilton Gold spray, and I ordered a second can. I know, it's insane. If you want to hear the story about that, I'll also link that recipe in the cards. But long story short, I'm in Canada and you can't get it in Canada, so it took a bit of time to get it. Either way, it didn't arrive, so I had to improvise, and it ended up being one of my favorite recipes. I think these are so beautiful, and if you're looking for like a little glam Easter centerpiece or something like that, this is perfect. So let's get started. What you need to make these eggs is some Wilton luster dust or some pearl dust. They make other things called color dust, and they're still like a pigment, but they're not metallic. And as you'll see in the video, you might see some like different colored, like some green and yellow and blue eggs in the background. Those I actually used the color dust by mistake because like I took them out of their packaging so they're not labeled. Those don't look nearly as nice as the metallic or like luster dust or shimmer dust or whatever it's called. So make sure that you use the ones that are shimmery because it'll give you such a nice effect. Like, look how beautiful they look. Anyways, let's get into it. So first you want to place about a teaspoon of luster dust into a small dish, and then using a dropper or a small spoon, gradually add enough vodka until it becomes the consistency of paint. So you want it not to be too thick, but not to be too runny. The reason why we're adding the vodka is because when it's liquid, it's obviously a lot easier to paint onto the eggs, and the vodka is like at a certain level of like alcohol content that it will evaporate quite quickly and dry. So these aren't alcoholic or anything like that. The reason why you use vodka is that it'll dry much quicker than using something like vanilla extract, which a lot of people use as well, but vodka gives you the best effect. So that's just why. But these are completely safe for kids, I believe. Like, you don't have to worry about it. And if you end up making too much, you can just leave like the liquid kind of like luster paint to dry, and all the vodka will evaporate and it'll revert back to its powdered state. So yeah, don't worry about them tasting alcoholic or anything like that. And then you want to use a clean paintbrush to just paint these onto the hard-boiled eggs, and you can paint one coat, allow it to dry completely, which will take about 20 to 30 minutes, and then if you like, you can paint another coat on top to make it extra vibrant, and make sure you let that dry, and you are done! So I hope that you guys like these eggs. I think they're so pretty. You will get a little bit of metallic transfer on your fingers after they dry and you're handling them, but it won't come off the eggs, so don't worry about that. But oh my gosh, I think they're so pretty. And Wilton makes so many different colors of luster dust. I thought I had more, but they're just color dust, so darn it. But yeah, and actually to make the purple, I combined some pink luster dust and some blue, and it created that beautiful purple color. So it's like paint, so just add whatever colors, combine them, make a new color, anything that you like. The possibilities are endless, and I think these look so pretty and so glam. Oh my gosh, I'm totally doing this when I have like a family and we're doing Easter. Totally doing this. And you can also do one and make like a golden egg, and I don't know, it would be so pretty. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you're notified when tomorrow's video goes live, because I upload every day from Monday to Friday. Also, apologies for not uploading last Friday. I don't even know what happened. My schedule, there were so many things I needed to do, and it was like Friday night, and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know what to post, and I don't want to post something that was like half-assed, and so I'm like, the first time I said that on my channel. But yeah, so I wanted it to be quality. But this Friday we're doing an Easter egg hunt with Paddington, and it is so cute and so fun. So we are back to normal this week. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for another video.